Coming up on this episode of Extreme Detail Garage, Luis and the crew face their toughest challenge yet with the incredible Corvette ZR1. The fastest production Corvette ever, with over 1,000 horsepower. It blazes 0 to 60 in just over 2 seconds and tops 230 miles per hour. Watch as they expertly apply paint protection film to preserve every inch of this powerhouse against the ticking clock of the holiday season. Buckle up for speed and precision on this episode of Extreme Detail Garage, starting right now.
I'm Luis Guevara. I've been in the car detail industry for over 20 years.
He's the master of the wraps, I'll tell you that right now.
You need to go down.
Alongside my team, we work in some of the coolest vehicles on the road, from luxury sport cars to monster trucks and timeless classic rides. No job is too big, no detail is too small. When it comes to paint protection film, ceramic coatings, and custom wraps, we do it all. This is Extreme Detail Garage. It feels like a dream, the fact that I have one of these cars in my property, working with my team. You know, people want us to always get the best, and it makes me feel great that people believe in me to bring me something like this. This is a convertible, so supposedly only 65 were made, but honestly only make 16 total between convertibles and also the regular cars. The cool part, we have it here in the house, and we are called the Extreme Detailers from the Corvette in the Corvette Club. But this one here set the standards. As you guys know, we work plenty cars, old school vehicles, regular cars. This thing is fast. 1,040 horsepower on the wheels. It's insane. The whole vehicle is gonna be completely wrapped on PPF, and because it's such a large job, we're gonna take care of all the precautions that we need to have to make sure the car looks great at the car shows. We have to represent our name on that vehicle. I wanna make sure that I have enough here. This is my longest point. Like I say, I'd rather cut more than cutting less. This is a $12,000 job. The CR1 letters, they're the ones that I don't wanna remove. So I gotta be very careful. I'm gonna start the installation from top to bottom, and then I'm gonna hand cut, very careful, the letters. Those emblems cannot be ordered because there are only few made for that vehicle. So I cannot really remove the emblems, and those are made specific for this vehicle. It's not that I can call the dealership and make sure to get those emblems, because most likely it won't be possible. So the challenges on these vehicles is just the line. It's very bubbly. And of course, people don't understand that it's a paint protection film. It's not really a paint job. This is a protection for the vehicle. And of course, we work in here with the best environment we can, which is, you know, we got closed shop, gray lights, but you know, we got air flowing in the air. And sometimes when you're moving the film from one side to another, you can get a little bit of the trash. And this is a freak here. This is not cool. So what we do, put it up. You know, it doesn't matter how long it takes to do this vehicle. We're gonna try to get the best way possible. Some of the challenges that we're experiencing on this vehicle is the stripes. Since the PPF is very thick and you have a layer of vinyl on top, just to cover that gap is kind of hard. But we explain to the customer exactly the way how it's gonna look, and that is something that, even though it's a challenge, we don't have no choice but wrap it and protect it. Another challenging part is the hood. This is not as common as the rest of the Corvettes. This has a very deep and concave vents that they're really tough to work on and get the film over. And even though it was very challenging, we came up excited and very successful on the installation. All right, guys. Ms. Reagan, this is your car.
Oh my goodness, this is fabulous. It's so deep, it looks like you can reach your hand down in there.
Were you expecting
Oh,
this?
I love the pinstripes. Oh my gosh, that's custom.
That's
So,
exactly what you wanted. You
I
asked for.
wanted custom, yes. This is gorgeous. It was majestic. I literally, in my mind, if you would have saw my emotions, I touched it. Is it really mine?
You enjoy your car and then you take it to the
How
track.
did you do all of these aerodynamic nooks and grooves? This is unbelievable. It's all one piece.
It's all one piece. It's all one piece on every single part that is big, and then you got the small pieces on the little pieces that are separate from the bumper.
I couldn't find a seam anywhere. I couldn't find a bubble anywhere. You just can't find a seam. You can't feel anything anywhere. I literally went over the car 2 times around trying to find it, rubbing my hands along the edges, and I couldn't find anything. I was completely in amazement that he did all the gaps. Look how many pieces this meets right here.
So the idea with this is to make sure that it's not noticeable. So if you don't notice, then I'm happy with it, because that's the purpose of the paint protection film. This is the reason why we do what we do. It's just a lot of passion that we put into it. And look at her expression on her face, seeing the vehicle like she fall in love again with it. It's just the reason why we do what we do. So we did a 12-year PPF. It's a 12-year PPF on this one, and it comes already with ceramic coating.
I'm really comfortable. I'm super happy. Thank you, Tri-City Corvette Club. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Roger Ross. Thank you, John Barry, for bringing me to Luis. And Luis, thank you for supporting our club.
I'm gonna give some credit to Adonis. Adonis came here and feel a spot that it was incredible to see all the effort and all the talent that he has behind. When I put my eyes in someone, I know exactly the potential that they can carry. He was doing all the helping work and he was installing a lot of pieces. We make some mistakes and the car took me a little longer than I was expecting. I was helping Adonis to go to the transition of being a ceramic coating applicator to a PPF installer. But you get trained with the best, and to be the best, you gotta be with the best.
I absolutely love it. The job is fantastic. The job is fantastic. I absolutely love it, and it's beyond my expectations. I expected it to be beautiful. It's beyond. It's fabulous. You did. This is amazing.
I want the car to reflect you when you're driving it around. And this car is perfect, so thank you so much for that opportunity.
It's a once in a lifetime. It's epic.
Enjoy it because it's all yours.
It's the fastest thing out there right now.
Good deal. Hey guys, if you like this episode with the ZR1 and you like exactly what we did on it, and you want to be one of the next one on the camera, just like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and just share our content. That's the only way we can create something like this for you, so you can enjoy it at the comfort in your house, your job, or anywhere you are. This is Luis Guevara with Extreme Detail, and I hope I can see you soon.